Hi everyone! Today we are going to do 10 minutes plank to base exercise. If you have issue of your wrist, shoulder or neck, please modify yourself or just do short time. Let's listen your amazing body. Let's start. First, we're gonna do warm up, cat and cow. Shoulder, wrist, hip and knee line up, feet apart. Shoulder away from your ear. As exhale, pubic bone point to navel. Look your navel. Breathe in, tailbone up. Eyes going to the sky. 2 more times. Extension your spine. Keep shoulder away from your ear. Last one. Try your navel pull into your spine. Extension. Open your collarbone. Back to neutral. I want you to go tuck your toes and knee hover. And we are holding here for 5 seconds. Keep shoulder down. And from here, right leg straight, left leg straight for plank. Your ear over your shoulder. And shoulder, ribs, hips, ankle, one line. Now really focus for belly button close to spine. One more time. And bend your knee. Nice warm up. One more time. You can do even forearms down too if you want. Back to plank. Line up your posture. Alignment. Breathe in. Breathe out. This time, right leg up and point. And switch. March. And come back. Try minimum your pelvis movement. Put your favorite drink on your back. Keep shoulder away from your ear, lengthening your back. One more each leg. Working your arms too. And come back. Child pose. Coming back, we are going to side plank. Bend your elbow under your shoulder, both knee bend. Now again, shoulder away from your ear. Engage your side. Lift your other arms up. Look down. As exhale, lift your hip. And then going down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Watch your shoulder. Keep shoulder away from your ear. 2 more times. Last one more time. Adding leg movement. Coming up and kick top legs. Down to knee together. Breathe out. Point your toe. 2 more times. Feel great energy from your toe to finger. Last one. Hold here for 5 seconds. 5, 4. Lift your upper body. 2 and 1. Good job. Did you feel your glute too? Stretch. And we are going to other side. Swing your legs. Bend your elbow under your shoulder. Both knee bend. Top arms are up and lift your rib cage. Breathe out, lift. Breathe in. Engage your inner thigh together. Two more. Last one. Now adding leg move. Breathe out, kick your top leg, point your toes. Breathe out. Whew. Good job. Feel this. Two more times. And we are holding on top 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Knee together. Stretch. And we are go back to plank. This time, heel together and plank. Now squeezing your heel. From your heel, zipping up all the way to your chest. Breathe in. Breathe out. When you breathe in, feel the air goes to around your scapular area. Open up. Last one. Strong arms, strong legs, strong core. And relax. Child pose. Back to regular plank, feet apart. This time, left leg up, point your toe, and I want you to swing your body back and forth twice. Switch. Switch. Good job. Try not to move your pelvis, wobbling too much. Point your toe. Last one more each. And legs together. And child pose for stretch. Now last one, plank and push up. Good, 2 in 1. From a plank, bend your right elbow. Now bend your left elbow. Right arms push away from floor. Right, left, right, left. 5 each, so 3 more. You can do knee on 2 if you want. Are you feeling your chest, abs, legs? Good job. Last one more time. I can feel my breath harder too. Now left side. Left, right, left, right. Pelvis move, but try minimum movement. 2 more times. We can do it. Last one. Awesome. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Child pose. And that was 10 minutes. Awesome. How you feeling? Hopefully you feel great. Thank you for joining me. See you next time.